What's up, guys? It's Cigar Carpenter Mike, and today I am not doing a cigar review. I'm doing two unboxings, really. If you watch Unbanded, you guys might know 1T Matt, also known as Sober Cigars. He lives in Minnesota, and we often do back alley shady cigar trades and stuff. And Matt also, so he's on Stogie Society, and he has his own channel called Sober Cigars, where he does reviews. And he's also started something recently called The Chat, where he has like a conversation interview with different people in the cigar community. And his first show was with Enzo that he published today. If you don't know Enzo, what's wrong? Enzo does The Ritual on Sundays when he feels like it. That's a great live stream also. But anyway, so Matt stopped by my job site today and dropped something off for me. So I'm gonna start with his thing because I already know what it is. So hand that over, Girl Man. Thank you, sir. So first of all, he does epoxy work. So he made a single cigar ashtray, which is awesome. My logo on the bottom. I'm not cool enough to have stickers yet, so I sent him like the PNG file. That sounds right. I'm a carpenter. My sister made my logo. Thanks, Kate. You don't watch this. He also made this cool tray, and what he does, which is awesome, he takes like the colors from people's logos, and so this kind of looks like a blood splatter, which is kind of metal, and I dig that. Isn't that rad, dude? So there's the tray for your cigar type things, and then I'm gonna save that for last. It's pretty cool, isn't it? And then he makes tumblers. So again, this thing looks like a massacre, and I love it. With the black and red from my logo. And then he said he stuffed some cigars in here, and he was explaining it to me. He only mentioned 3. Oh, cool. All right. So he had sent Unbanded cigars to the other Unbanded boys, because we're gonna play a little game where he knows what it is and not Peter. And so he's got his own little band on here with Sober Cigars, and also Sober Cigars if you're looking for Matt on Instagram, YouTube, whatever. Great dude. Happens to live in like the best state in my opinion. But yeah, so he's got this Unbanded one, which I don't know what it is. I kind of want to try and figure it out, but I don't want to ruin the surprise. And then he had mentioned these. I believe these are like JR Fugazis or something. I'm gonna have to ask him before I smoke it what they're supposed to be. They're like bundle sticks that are supposed to be a good representation or, imitation of certain popular cigars. And then we've got, what year is this? Oh, it says right on it. A 2022 Las Calaveras. I know he ran into these in a shop where they just hadn't sold them, and he bought the box from the guy. What are you looking for? Oh, the fact that my logo looks a lot like a Diablo blade. Yeah. Where do you think I got the idea, bud? Probably that Diablo blade, huh? And then Matt also sent me an Atabey, and who doesn't love an Atabey? So heck yeah, thank you, Matt. And then last but certainly not least, if you've ever seen Matt bomb anybody, Matt is hilarious, first of all. And it's a subtle humor. And it's a little funny shit. Ooh, I swore. It's a little funny stuff. Like, whenever he sends somebody a cigar bomb, he puts a Christmas ornament in it with his face, which is funny. Oh, he also, since I didn't have stickers to send him, he like made them. So he gave me 2 stickers of my own logo, so that's awesome. Matt always sends a Christmas ornament, and it's always just him like holding the cigar or whatever. It's hilarious because it's just, here's a Christmas ornament of me. But what Matt did for me, because I like to, yeah, you can have a sticker, buddy, but I wouldn't put it on your school stuff because it says cigar. So why don't we wait about it till later? Okay, wait about it till later. I like inappropriate humor. I try not to get too wild into it, but if you've watched Unbanded, you know. So I'm not, yucking anybody's yum. If you're really into feet, that's fine. I'm not gonna shame your. I'm not gonna say certain words because a young gorilla man is right here. But I'm not gonna shame what you're into. But I like to make jokes about this. So Matt, in his ornament for me, there's an Atabay black, but it's on his foot, which is quite possibly the funniest Christmas ornament I have seen Matt send out. So my wife is gonna love the fact that Matt's foot is on my tree next year. So some people really like feet, and it's a little weird, but you know what? We're not gonna hate what people like, right? Go ahead. You don't have to like feet. Some people do. So that is the bomb from Matt. Sober Cigars, 1T Matt. Matt in the morning, Matt in the evening, whatever you're calling him that day. Great dude. I appreciate it. That stuff is awesome. Now, this is a two-parter. Mack, who, his Instagram is private, but if you are in CUD, the Cigars Unbanded Discord, you know Mack, he's around in there. He's posting, he's talking. I was up ice fishing with Gorilla Man and Dino Boy on Upper Red Lake this weekend, and Mac messaged me and he's like, "Hey man, you really like those Cavalier LE 2023s, don't you?" And I was like, "Yeah, I love them. They're a great cigar. They're affordable. It's one of my go-tos, and I enjoy smoking them." I'm actually down to, let's see, in my humidor right now, I'm down to 2, but I'm actually sending 1 to Skinny because I got to bomb him back with something. Along with some other stuff. And so I have 1 left in my humidor right now. And he was like, "I'm going to send you some." I was like, "Dude, you don't need to, but thank you so much." And then it turns out he was going to send me a whole box, he said. I was like, "Geez, you don't need to do that." So Mac, whose last name, addresses. Well, Mac's last name, which will remain untold, sent me this, and I really appreciate it. And if you are in Cigars Unbanded Discord and you know who I'm talking about, don't just go asking him for stuff. That's if you viewers don't know what dry begging is, or just straight up asking people for stuff, it's not cool. Dry begging is when you're hinting at the fact that you want something, and straight up asking people for stuff is like, it's not cool. Or at least say, "Hey, I'd like to purchase that from you," or something. Anyway, don't bother Mac about this. Don't find him on Instagram either. Thank you, Mac. So he sent me a whole box of Cavalier LE 2023. And like I said, that's awesome. I appreciate it. I like to stick these in, I don't regift, so I will have all of these to myself. But what I've gotten like 2 or 3 boxes at this point. And what I like to do is when I bomb people, I throw one in there just because I enjoy that cigar so much. And then he said he was going to send a couple other cigars, but this looks like more than a couple other cigars. And they're not yard gars by any stretch of the imagination. So let's go through this. What order do I do these in? These are all kind of killer. Oh, sweet. All right, cool. Well, we'll start with this one. Looks like and he's got dates on it. That's nice. A 2023 Opus X 888, which typically that's my least favorite size of things, but I don't think I've had the straight up Opus X in 888, so we'll see if that changes my opinion. All right, let's just go through this in a way that makes sense. We have 2 Opus X love stories, which is rad. Thank you, man. Dude, Mac, you didn't need to do this. You weren't playing around here, clearly. This looks like a Opus X, what is that, Perfection number 5? Because I think the number 4 has a cedar sleeve. It's awesome little Opus there. An Opus X shark, which is rad. Everybody loves a shark. Thank you, Mac. That is the footband from a Opus X 20 Years God's Whisper. Kind of a pretty footband, isn't it? Yeah. I think you're off screen right there, buddy. Uh-oh. And then, what do we got here? We have 2 Opus X, Rosado Oro Oscuro, Destino al Siglo. These look like Super Bellicosos. Yes, because the XXX Bellicoso, I'm not sure that they make it in Destino al Siglos. I think this is a Super Bellicoso. And then we've got a Rare Pink Queen of Hearts. And if you've heard me talk about rare pinks at all, this is the only size I like. I don't know if Mack got lucky or he's really paying attention, but thank you, Mack. I really enjoyed that one. I'll have to do that one for a review. Now this one, I can't remember the order. Maybe it was number 4 on my top 25 list this year. But the Gran Aniversario Destino al Siglo Arturo Fuente. This cigar is a sleeper. Now don't go out and buy all these and make it so I can't find these anymore. But people often overlook these for opuses, and this is one of my top cigars this year. I enjoy this cigar so much. And then last but not least, we have a Arturo Fuente Don Carlos Eye of the Shark. And Don Carloses are great. I really enjoy this shark. I don't know if I enjoy it more because it's a funny shape or if it actually tastes different and the blend is different. I mean, the ring gauge is similar to other ones. I don't know. These are awesome. I love it. It's one of my favorite Cameroons. So that's it. I mean, what do I mean that's it? These are both awesome bombs. Matt, I love all the epoxy stuff. That ornament is hilarious, dude. Make sure to check out Sober Cigars and then the Stogie Society podcast. They're Wednesdays at, I think, 8:30 Central. But yeah, Sober Cigars, his YouTube channel. It's great. And then Mack, don't bother him for stuff. He's a very generous man. And he's not to be bothered about this. This is all awesome. The epoxy, the cigars. I love this community. This is fantastic. I don't know what I do to deserve all this stuff, but I really appreciate it. As always, don't forget to check out our Thursday night live stream, Cigars Unbanded. Yeah, it's probably gonna be right about here. And then here's a subscription button to my channel if you want to subscribe. It's probably right about here. And then I'll have my most recent video at time of watching this, and I'll have my Cigar Bomb unboxing playlist down here if I remember to do that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks, Matt and Mack. This is awesome. I love it.